Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're at Rite Aid. If you can see the little sign there, we are here to do some amazing deals this week for the 23rd through the 29th of April. And I'm really excited about this week. We've got some really good deals. So next week we will have a booster and we have some laundry deals. I kind of don't want to go away next week because of the deals that are coming up. But anyways, they'll come back. They'll come back. They always do. So anyways, I'm going to be doing a few transactions. I'm going to be using 2 different accounts. I've got some paper coupons that a very good friend gave me. They are threshold coupons. So I'm sure you probably will know by me saying a very dear friend of mine gave them to me. But anyways, yeah. We also have an in-ad booster. Forgot to mention that. It is spend $50, get back $10, and you can do that 4 times. Real Deals has it over on her community tab. So yeah, we're just gonna make magic happen. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah, and I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. And that's it, guys. So let's go inside and see what we can do. So the first deal we are going to do is on the hair accessories by Conair, or I call it Scrunchie, and I've always called it Scrunchie. They are buy 3, get back $10 in bonus cash. And I just stuck with the ones that were tagged in the store just to avoid any confusion. So I'm going to grab this pack of little scrunchies here for $4.89. I'm going to grab these hair ties for $4.39. And then I found some, I don't know what you call them, but they'll hold your hair back. That's something they'll definitely do. These here for $4.39. The total for the 3 products will equal out to $13.67, and we're going to get back $10 in bonus cash. This is a perfect way to roll a good amount of bonus cash if you need to just do some rolling. So next we're going to grab the Conair hair appliances. They are 25% off, and when you buy one, you will get back $5 in bonus cash. The store did have this cheap hair dryer, so it'll ring up $8.24. We will get back $5 in bonus cash, making it $3.24, which isn't bad at all. So next we're going to grab the soft soap. The soft soap is 2 for $12, and they are buy 2, get back $5 in bonus cash. So I'm going to max the deal out because it is a limit of 2. So the 4 of them would equal out to $24. Now I have 4 75-cent off of 1 printable coupons from the soft soap website. So all I did is I printed from my phone. I printed 2 with 1 email, went on my computer and printed 2 more with another email. So they're $24 after the coupons. They will equal out to $21. But then we're going to get back $10 in bonus cash. I'm also going to get back $6 because I'm tracking for a soft soap bonus cash challenge. So then that's going to make these just $5 for all 4, which I think is a really good deal. So since the store was low on the other things that I wanted to get, I'm just going to do the hair accessory deal again because it is a limit of 2. So I am grabbing the same prices. It's going to be the same math as earlier in the video. The 3 of these will equal out to $3.67. So this is everything I'm getting in my first transaction. I was going to use 2 of these, but I made a little oopsie and didn't realize that the 9 off of 45 in my hand was a 9 off of 45. So I only used the 9 off of 45. I thought it was a 7 off of 35. And so I didn't end up using that $5 one because I would actually need $70 in products to use both of these, and I only had $60. So I just used the one for this transaction. So then on another transaction at the same store, I did find some more candy clearance, and they did have some of these Zaffy Taffies. They're the same deal as the Zolly Pops, so they're 75% off. And when you buy 2, you get back $5 in bonus cash, making them $1.02 moneymaker. So then I go to another store, and they have Zolly Pops and Zaffy Taffy. So I'm going to grab 4 more, and we're starting a new transaction. So we're going to grab 4 of these. That will equal out to $7.96, and we're going to get back $10 in bonus cash. So then the next thing I'm going to do is some vitamins. The Nature's Truth are buy one, get one free. And when you spend $40, you will get back $20 in bonus cash. So I am going to grab 2 of the B2 or B12 vitamin gummies for $19.49 and 2 of the vitamin D gummies for $15.49. So then I am going to grab 4 of the vitamin E sticks here, and that will get me to $40.96 for all 8 products. I do have some insert coupons, I think from the 3-5 save. I have a 3 off 2 coupons and $2 off coupons. After the coupons, our total will equal out to $32.96. Then we will get back $20 in bonus cash, making our total $12.96, which isn't that bad of a deal, but with all of our other deals, it's going to be an amazing deal. And then I checked the clearance for the Preparation H spray, and they did have some, so I at first grabbed 4 and then I put 2 back. I only needed 1, but for some reason I grabbed 2, and there's a $2 rebate on Ibotta. So that is everything for the first transaction. Ignore the Huggies wipes. I'll show you that deal in a second. I do have another 9 off of 45 coupon that I'm going to use with this transaction. So now we're going to do one more transaction. I was able to find what I needed at this store. So this store had tons of Huggies wipes. So the Huggies wipes are on sale for $2.99. Buy 2, get back $2 and bonus cash with a limit of 2. So this is the Natural Care sensitive kind, and this is the Natural Care regular kind. So that's important to know and to show you that because of the printables from Huggies.com. So I'm going to grab 4 packages of baby wipes for $11.96. I have 2 $1.15 off of 2 printable coupons from the Huggies website. I was able to go to the website, sign in, and I was able to print 2 of those for the sensitive and 2 for the regular Natural Care. So that is going to make my total for the 4 packages of wipes $9.66. But then I'm going to get back $4 in bonus cash. I'm also going to submit my receipt to Ibotta, and I'm going to get back 50 cents on each package. That's going to make all 4 packages of wipes just $3.66. Not a bad deal. Next, we're going to do the Tresemme. Now, the Tresemme has been a monthly deal from the beginning of April until the 29th, where you spend $20, you get back $10 in bonus cash, but it's only a limit of 2. A lot of times, monthly deals are a limit of 4, but this one is just a limit of 2, and I am tracking for $4 from last week. So I'm going to grab 2 of these Pro Infusion kinds. I did check on the website. They are included in the promotion. They are $8.99. So grabbing 2 of those, that's going to equal out to $17.98. But then I will just pay that. I don't have any coupons. I will get back $10 in bonus cash. But then there is a deal on Fetch Rewards for the Pro Infusions. When you buy 2, you will get back 4,000 points or $4, making it $3.98 for just both of them. So the next deal I'm going to do is the Highlands Pain Relief. They're 25% off. Buy 2, get back $15 in bonus cash. They are a monthly deal, and I wanted to do this deal, but my store is priced pretty high. They're $17.49, and they will ring up $13.11 for each one. Other stores I went to where I know they're cheaper, they were out. So I gave in and paid the higher price, which I don't regret it after the final cost of everything. So the both of these will cost me $26.22. I don't have any coupons for them, but I will get back $15 in bonus cash. And this pain relief kind is glitching with an offer on Ibotta that is giving back $7.50. So when you scan it on Ibotta to check to see if it'll attach, it's not going to show that it is, but it is still working. So I'm going to get back another $7.50, making both of these just $3.72, and there's 100 tablets in each one of these. So I'm excited to try these out. So I just need a little bit more. So I'm going to grab these cotton balls. They're buy one, get one 50% off, priced at $2.49, and they're buy two, get back $2 in bonus cash. So one will be $2.49, the other one will be $1.24. The two products will equal out to $3.73. We'll get back $2 in bonus cash, making them $1.73 for both of them. So that is everything in that second transaction. I wanted to get over the $60 mark so that I could use 2 threshold coupons. So I will be using a 7 off of 35 and a 5 off of 25. That equals out to $60, so I can use both of them. So that is everything. Let's go out to the car and see how everything went. All right, guys, so we're back in from Rite Aid, and I got 3 like big transactions, and then I have one that I did because the first store I went to didn't have a lot of stock, so I was afraid that I wouldn't get any of the Zollies, so I picked up 2 there. So I did that in a transaction by itself. So they were $1.99. When you buy 2, you'll get back $5 in bonus cash. So it's a free $1.02 moneymaker. Like I said, I have a friend that I'm going to send these to because she absolutely loves them. So there's that. So that was the first transaction. Then on the next transaction, I did the Tresemme, the Highlands, the Huggies, and then I did the cotton balls. I'm not familiar with the brand. Rite, I'm not sure. And then I ended up throwing in a M&Ms, a king size M&Ms, because what happened was the Highlands, I thought the Highlands was going to ring up $13.99 with the after the 25% off, but it was actually $13.11, and so I ended up being 11 cents short of hitting $60, so I could use both of those paper coupons, or those threshold coupons. My $2.15 printable coupons, those come off at totally fine, and then my 7 off of 35 and my 5 off of 25 also came off no problem. So that brought my total down to $47.71. I got back $41 in bonus cash. So I got back $2 for the Rite, I'm not sure, $4 for the Huggies, $15 for the Highlands, $10 for the Booster, and then $10 for the Tresemme. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back $9.50. It's pending right now, which should be no problem. So $7.50 for the Glitch, and then $2 for the Huggies wipes, and then $4 on Fetch Rewards. I did have to correct my receipt. I've had to correct my receipt for everything on Fetch for the past, I don't know, month or so. I just don't know. But I did buy the correct items, so they should give it to me. Also with Ibotta, I've got CVS still pending on my Ibotta. I don't know why. But anyways, that makes my total free and $6.72 moneymaker for that transaction. Plus I got back 621 points that I can convert to bonus cash later. So then on the next transaction, I had the Scuncy, which I don't know how you say it, but I always called that brand Scrunchy as a kid and a teenager. So that's what I call it now. Then I got the soft soap body wash, and I got the blow dryer. Now with this transaction, those 75-cent coupons came off totally fine. And then I had a 9 off of 45 coupon that printed for me last week that I used. Now I thought I was handing over a 7 off of 35 and a 5 off of 25. So then I would need $70 worth of items, but I only had $60 worth of items. And so I just said, give me that back. That was my mistake. And so yeah, there's that. But that was like the only mistake. It was just me thinking I had the right coupons that I handed to her. But anyways, that wasn't the only mistake, because looking at my receipt here after I got out of the store, I noticed that I had 7 items of scrunchy items on my receipt, and I only needed 6. So I took one of them back in and got a refund. So my total for that transaction is $46.78. I got back $45 in bonus cash. I got $10 for each set of 3 for the scrunchie. I got back $5 for each set of 2 of the Irish Springer soft soap. I got back $5 for the blow dryer and $10 for the circular, well, it says circular, but for the in-ad booster. I'll also get back $6 from a bonus cash challenge for the soft soap. So that's going to make that transaction free and a $4.22 moneymaker. So super happy with that too. Who gets a free blow dryer? Well, besides couponers, but you know what I mean. And then we got one more transaction, and that is the Preparation H. I got 2 more sets of the Zolly Pops. I got the Nature's Truth items there. I got 4 sticks and vitamin E sticks and 4 vitamins. So the 3 off 2 coupons came off fine, and so did the dollar coupons. I also had a 9 off of 45 threshold coupon. So the total for that transaction was $37.40. So the total for that transaction was $37.40. I got back $40 in bonus cash, 10 for the booster, 20 for the Nature's Truth, and then $10 for the Zollies. I'll also get back $4 on Ibotta for the Preparation H from the clearance section. So that's going to make that transaction free and a $6.60 moneymaker. Holy moly. And I got back 544 points on that transaction. So altogether, I had 1,802 points, so 1,802 points. Times that by 0.002, and that equals out to $3.60. So that's $3.60 that I can convert over into more bonus cash. So that's going to make my transactions today all free and a $21.40 moneymaker. And that's a really good deal. That is such a good deal, especially I'm getting some cash back too. I'm getting actual cash back too. But that's okay. I love it, even if it's just bonus cash, because then I can roll some bonus cash next week, which I will not be doing a CVS video, but I will be doing a Walgreens / combo Rite Aid video on Sunday, because did you see the boosters for Walgreens this week? Oh my Lanta, I definitely have to go do that. And yeah, it's spend 40 get 20. They must be picking up what Rite Aid is putting down. But anyways, guys, that is all I have for you today. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.